peeps, you know, cannot deny to this guy, cause it's J-Dog. J-Dog, see his videos right now, boy. Yo, peeps. Me, J-Dog. This is Pop Star's hammer. I actually jacked it from the garage. This is milk. I'm extremely allergic. Booster, can you read that to him on camera?
Death, caution, danger, cafeteria, milk inside, J-Dog face, J-Dog use only, and cafeteria, milk inside. So,
Okay.
yeah, it's true, Moo. It's from our school cafeteria.
Okay.
What you doing? I
thought LD was there. You've seen LD, right? Anyway, pull out everything in your pocket, because it might get on everything. Yeah, I have a quarter and a dime. I have that. My fortune.
Oh, I have mine too. Yeah, it's right here.
Okay, Booster, show it up.
There.
Anyway, I'll be taking these. I'll put them in the underground.
No.
It doesn't show you another one. Okay, now I'm extremely allergic. Oh, and there, it's bleeding.
Oh my God! It's falling onto the floor. It looks pink.
I know, on camera. And look at it.
Oh God! Did you get wet?
No, on my arm a little.
I might die in a minute.
I might die in a minute, but okay. Now that's nothing but crud. And that's what's up. Well, I'm J-Dog. See you right here on J-Dog.